In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step the best and the easiest way to add a voiceover to an incredibly professional Canva presentation. You'll not only be able to streamline the whole process, you'll save time having to edit out mistakes, pauses, or filler words. I've got an exciting new Canva feature to share with you. You'll get a free upgrade to Canva Pro. And for those of you who use PowerPoint for work, you'll also learn something I'm fairly certain you don't already know, and it's very exciting. So if you're ready, let's make a start. So again, I'm going to be using the new Canva Glow Up dashboard, which was launched a few weeks ago at Canva Create. But don't worry, if you don't have this dashboard yet, you can still follow the instructions in the old dashboard. So the first thing you'll want to do is select the presentation you want to add a voiceover to. So you can either start afresh by clicking on presentation and then selecting one of the beautiful professionally designed templates in the Canva library, or you've probably got a presentation already prepared. So find it under your recent designs, click on it to open it up into the design editor. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. Perfect. To start the voiceover, go over to the left-hand side column and find Uploads, click on it, and then select Record Yourself. You are now in the Canva Recording Studio. The most important thing to note is that at the current time, if you want to add a voiceover to a presentation or a video even, you have to do so in video format. So you can't simply record an audio file. But bear with me because in a few minutes, I'm going to share with you a brand new Canva feature which will solve this anomaly very quickly, and it is so cool. The first thing you'll want to do is to connect your microphone. So go to the top right-hand corner of your screen and click on this little icon here. At the bottom, you'll have the option to connect your microphone, which is the most important thing. So click on this downward arrow and then select whichever microphone you want to use. You can, of course, connect an external microphone. So I'm going to connect my Shure microphone. Now, if you want to keep the talking head, that's absolutely fine. You can do so. So you'll want to connect your camera as well. So click on this downward arrow. In this case, I just want a voiceover. So I'm going to switch the camera off. So I'm going to do that right now. And as you can probably see, the talking head is replaced with your Canva profile photo. If you bear with me, I'll show you exactly how to get rid of this in just a few moments. Now, if you're anything like me, my mind goes totally blank as soon as the camera starts running, so I always need notes to refer to. So the next thing you might want to do is click on this little circle with the little arrow in the middle to expand the side panel. And here you can see I've added some helpful notes. The notes will also ensure that your voiceover is as error-free and as smooth as it possibly can, and so reduce the amount of time you need to spend editing bits out. The notes section changes for each slide, so to toggle through to the next slide, either click on this little arrow here or select the thumbnail image. So again, I've added some helpful notes. And again for the next slide, and the next slide, and the next slide. Okay, back to the start. When you're all set and ready to go, all you need to do is hit record. You have a handy 3-second countdown, and now you can start recording your voiceover. Hello and welcome to my webinar about brand guidelines. Let's begin by taking a look at a brand's core values. Once you've finished your voiceover, all you need to do, if you're happy, is click on the purple Done button and then click on Save and Exit. You'll notice that a separate video recording for each slide is generated in the side column. The video obviously appears over your slide right here. Just click on the play button to play the video. And one of the huge benefits of using this method to create a voiceover is that if you make an error, all you need to do is identify in which recording it occurred, delete that individual recording, and go back into the recording studio to re-record over that slide again. It saves so much time and frustration. Okay, so now let's take a look at how to edit the video inside the frame, including how to get rid of the video altogether and just leave the audio voiceover. So you can resize the video frame by selecting it once with your cursor and then dragging the corner buttons out to increase the size and back in again to make it smaller. You can also drag the video frame to a different position over the top of your slide. So you might want it in the top right-hand corner, for instance. You can also add some cunning disguise to hide the video portion by selecting a shape from the sidebar, say a circle, and then placing it over the top. However, what I recommend you do use is this exciting new feature that's only just been released by Canva. Select the video with your cursor once, select the three little dots, and then find where it says Extract Audio. Click on that once, and you'll see that the audio portion of your video, so the voiceover section, appears in the video timeline underneath the slide itself. You can now go ahead and delete the video completely by selecting Delete Frame. And of course, you'll need to go through this for each separate video. So select the three little dots, or you can go up to this new floating menu, select Edit, find, where's it gone? There it is, Extract Audio, click on Extract, and the audio portion of your video is underneath your slide. So now I can go ahead and delete the video. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. Before you finish extracting all the audio files, you might want to take this further step. With the video selected, go to the floating menu, click on Edit, and then find underneath the Extract Audio button, the Enhanced Voice button. So make sure if you want to enhance the voice so that it appears more crisp and clear and removes any background noise, make sure that this button is toggled to the on position. Now this is a Canva Pro feature, so if you currently have a free Canva account, why not test this feature out with a free Canva Pro upgrade for 30 days? You'll get access to all the premium features in Canva, including those which have recently been released at Canva Create. I'll leave a link in the description box underneath this video. So now you can see I've finished extracting all the audio files, and here they are on the timeline underneath each slide. The benefit of doing this obviously is that it removes the video overlay, but you're now free to edit the audio file separately. So there are so many options available to you. Once you've completed your voiceover, all that's left for you to do is perhaps share your deck of slides from within Canva by selecting Share and then Present, and that will take you into full screen mode. You could also download your talking presentation by going to Share, Download, selecting file type as an MP4 video, and that's very important, selecting however many pages you want to download, and then click Done, and then Download. And finally, this is good news for those of you who use PowerPoint for work. You can export a Canva presentation, including audio, seamlessly to PowerPoint by going to the Share button, clicking Download, selecting file type as Microsoft PowerPoint document, making sure you've got the correct number of pages selected, clicking Download, and then opening up your beautiful Canva presentation within PowerPoint. Here is the audio portion, which you can drag and drop out of the way like that. And I think that is absolutely fabulous. But let me know what you think in the comments underneath. Thank you so much for watching. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. I will see you next time.